Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Joyce Chen bamboo steamers. I have been steaming dim sum at home for family and friends since lockdown and have continued to do so even now. I already have a bamboo steamer set, but everyone seems to be enjoying the comfort of dim sum at home, so I decided to get another set of bamboo steamers. That way I can make more at the same time. These steamers are truly made of bamboo. There are 3 pieces with this set, 2 steamers and the lid. Let's go ahead and unwrap the steamers from the plastic. And they even tie the 3 pieces together with some rope, which I will need to untie as well. You can already see how well made the steamer baskets are. And take a look at the intricate bamboo weave on the top cover of the dome lid. This lid comes in handy to help trap the steam inside while steaming the food in the 2 steamer baskets. There's even a cute little handle in the middle. The other 2 pieces are identical. The steamers can stack on top of each other. And there's plenty of room to place your food items inside each steamer basket. This set also comes with a little pamphlet to guide you on how to care for and clean the steamers as well. And it will also tell you how to use the steamer basket. And let's go ahead and do a quick measurement. These steamers are supposed to be 10 inches, and according to my ruler, these are indeed 10 inches. I think these steamers are of excellent quality and I can't wait to use them for my next dim sum party.